All right, hello. So I want to go over kind of questions you had from the week one reflection. So just go over here what I saw here from the discussion board. Do we need to combine / apply material from different sections to answer some of these homework problems? And the answer is yes. Right. So some problems are like, strictly from section whatever 1.1. Right, but some do require a mix of different sections and also previous material that you might have learned in an algebra course. So yeah, so what the homework there is a type of problem solving, right? So I want you to not focus on, I'm in section 1.2, so I only need to focus on material from section 1.2, especially as we move forward. Some of the stuff just builds on the previous material. So I do expect you to combine and apply. And yes, some of these questions, it's not simply like, I saw this type of question, so all I do is change the numbers or it's the exact same thing. No, it does require some sort of problem solving, all right? Now, I'm going to ask you if I can't figure it out. Well, ask a question, send me a message, drop into office hours. The resources that I give there is just a start. I just say, all right, so these are some good resources. Again, you may find some other resources by doing some internet searching, okay? So Tanner asked, do we have pre-recorded lectures? And there are actually already posted pre-recorded lectures. So if you look over here on our Canvas site, and if you scroll down to chapter 1, and you hit chapter 1 resources, let it load, and there you'll have a variety of resources stemming from a PowerPoint. This PowerPoint is it's the PowerPoint from the textbook that we are associating this class with. So it's a nice summary of it goes by chapter, so by chapter 1. And here's some videos for each one of the sections there. All right, and again, this is just a starting off point. If you find some other material that you find useful, again, you feel free to use it. This is just meant to kind of get you started on your study. Okay, so you can find that material there. Okay, so another question I got was best way to prepare for a test is to start with the homework, right? The homework is a good kind of starting point as the type of problems that I will be asking you on the exam. Okay, so now since we are in the remote learning, the type of problems won't be, so I'm still working that out. So there will be a little bit more involved, but the homework is a good way to start your study. All right, I got another question on will homework be due Sunday? Usually we'll have an assignment due during the week and then have an assignment due on Sunday. All right, deal with problems. So another question I got, deal with problems that are not in the textbook. So one thing, again, ask questions, send me a message. So I want you to kind of not think that you are alone sitting there and it's like, it's not in the textbook, so it's not here. Like, reach out to me, right? There's online tutoring available. Again, if you look on your Canvas page, let me switch back over here. All right, down here, there's Chabot tutoring. Click on it. All right, you click on that. Okay, so that, I think it's because I'm going to go to, it's easy as a student, so let me try that one more time. So this should be more of what you should be prepared to see. Okay, and then again, you can see the different topics available to you here. Go on math. All right, and then one-on-one room, study group room. So it looks like there is one active here. And we have a math instructor is in there right now. So during my office hours, you'll see my name on there. So you can have a way there to get help. All right. Okay. And then the last question we got here is regarding exams. So the way that exams work is similar to how we have the homework. I'll have a PDF file with the exam questions. There is no required time where you need to be in front of a camera for me to proctor you. This is strictly done on your on your own time when you can do this. As far as time limit, you do have roughly 24 hours to complete it. So if I post it on Thursday at 8 a.m., it would be due by Friday at 8 a.m. All right. Okay. If you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to message me. All right. Thank you.